Oh my god, it's 11:58. It's 2 minutes. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The reason I've gotten ready and in my complete outfit is because you may have already guessed that by my title. Oh my god, it's 11:58. It's 2 minutes. So I don't know what is going to happen, but I asked my mom if I should get ready and she said yes, but I don't know what is going to happen. But it's just 2 minutes left. Oh my god, I didn't even realize.
Oh my god! Wow!
Stop it. Get some help.
So my mom just said that all my friends are standing out, but I'm not sure. There's no one out. There's no one.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
Do not open until 5 p.m. tomorrow. Shavni, our school teachers might be still taking our names together. Ruchi, this is the best. Oh my god, this letter is so beautiful and so emotional. Oh my god, that is so sweet. Ashwin, thank you so much. Look at this letter, so much creativity they have put in. Oh, so cute. Oh my god. Shruti, how can you be so funny? So Pushkar wrote in his letter that there is another gift. I didn't realize until right now when Prem messaged me. Ooh, there's a gift.
Nice.
The letters, the idea was fab. Firstly, I love writing letters and everyone around me knows that I love writing letters. I never received letter, so this was very special. Randomly the ad popped up on my Instagram and he was just sitting beside me and I said, I want this is so cute.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु.
I was just rereading all of the letters. I don't know why they're all so beautiful, and I forgot to read like the cover of it. And Ruchi has written on it, whenever you feel low, remember you've got us. With lots of love, your family, your friends. Even reading this giving me chills because honestly speaking, I'm emotionally strong, but I have low moments in my life. But whenever I will have low moments, I'm just gonna open this box because it's filled with happiness. I'm done with my skincare and I'm gonna sleep with this cutie because I'm super happy. So good night. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, you guys.
बंद करो.
Also today is my birthday. I'm gonna be posting my first ever YouTube video. So if you haven't watched the Omegle video, go and click on the link right here. Hello everyone, I just took a really nice long relaxing shower and now I'm gonna have my favorite breakfast ever, which is dhokla. I love dhokla so much. Let's have dhokla.
Hi.
I have nothing to do, so I'm chilling with my brothers.
Sunday she has nothing to do.
Thank you! This is like my favorite lunch in the whole entire world. Biryani and kaleji papad and some tomato and kanda. What do I say now? I literally took a nap and I don't remember which era I'm from. So it's 4:50, it's about to be 5 in 10 minutes. I have to check that envelope. I'm opening the envelope now. What? You've been bamboozled.
मारो हमको मारो.
There is another letter or whatever this is here. Oh my god, why do I have the coolest friends ever? So this letter is beautifully sealed. There's like a treasure hunt over here, and it's written complete the task, and this is the map of my house. Okay, so there are tasks right here. So my first task is to go to the restroom and freshen up. So I don't know if you guys can hear me because the exhaust is super loud. But as I said, I'm in my restroom and I'm gonna get freshened up. Go to my bedroom, choose my outfit and makeup look. Done with my outfit, my jewelry, my makeup, everything, and I'm literally loving each and every part of it. Then go in balcony, take selfies for the gram. How do they know me so well? So I'll get in the balcony and click some Instagram pictures. So I'll pop all the pictures on the screen. Living room, grab all things you need to go out. Grab all of the things that I need to go out, which includes camera, my phone, and nothing else. After celebrating your birthday at home, this is my birthday cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Step outside of the house. There's another map thing over here. So guys, I just saw my friends Ashwin's story, and all of my friends, all of my guy friends, they are gathered at some place which I don't recognize. I think he forgot to hide the story from me, but anyways, I am waiting for their message because they haven't said me when should I leave. Literally ready since so long, and I'm getting pissed off because there's no message from them whatsoever. Look what I've sent this to my friends. I just got a call from my friends that I should start a task. So the first thing is that step out of the house, go to your left, and on the left I have a device which will bring me back to earth, and Gandhar figured it out before me, which is I have to go through the left downside. So yeah. The next clue is once I'm down, find a big small ocean. That is the swimming pool of our society. So I have to pass through the garden to reach there. So let's go. And according to next clue, I have to find the next instructions in the box. Oh my god, what is this? There's a scarf and there's a note in it. Go out of your colony gate and then tie it to your eyes. No cheating. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hi guys. Gandhar is putting this on my eyes. I'm literally scared because I don't trust these two people. I cannot see you, but I'm clueless of what they're doing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shami. Happy birthday to you.
Subscribe to our channel, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
So guys, I came back home and I changed into my comfortable clothes. But look at my bed, how messy it is. It's not even something to look. But I'll just clean that and be back. Guys, I cleaned the bed and I'm done with my shower, done with my skincare. So after my friend's surprise, we had a really fun dinner. In my whole entire life, this was my best birthday ever. I thought that my friends would plan something, but I never planned it would be so huge. I saw the cake a few days back and I sent the picture to Pushkar just to give him a little hint, and he literally bought the same cake. Also, you guys attacked me with saying that you want Omegle Part 2. So Omegle Part 2 is definitely going to come. And until the next Sunday, bye. Bye.